Once again, Mac Remix Vlog. Ayan, ayan. Ray, gwapo. Thank you kayo nga binigyan mo ko ng time sa aking adlaw ko no. And also please welcome also Lucy Bantes. Thank you, idol. Nandito ka. Master Worm, thank you din. Baka gusto mo rin. At saka si Mino Pose. Ayan, Philippine. Salamat kayo. Actually si Filipina yun ang nag-open ani. Kay busy kayo. Pero thank you so much, Finn. Grabe ng favor ko sa'yo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Ikaw na siya sinisinta. Araw, gabi ngayon, ako ay nagpurusa. I kissed you only once, but I keep wondering why. Dami palang paborito. It seems I kissed your lips so many times. I know you only now, but I keep wondering why. It seems I've known you forever. Can ay buhay, todo bigay. Kaya join na lang kayo. Let's all have a good time. Kaya join na lang kayo. Let's all have a good time. Kaya join na lang kayo. Let's all have a good time.
Touch the roses that no remorse, no regret. I forgive every word you said. I don't wanna leave you, I don't wanna fight. Started to cry, but then remembered happy birthday to you.
Thank you so much, Finn. Grabe ng favor ko sa'yo. Gian Agoy! Ayan, makulay talaga ang aking araw. Salamat sa inyo, guys. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Gian. Ganda. Liars! Nandito din si Liars. Sila yung magbigay saya ng aking araw. Wesa pa yan, host. Di dyo ko magsawang magpasalamat. Kay maura dyan na akong ika-istorya. Kay dili ko kabayad, guys, sa inyong mga support, sa inyong mga blessings. Only my prayers.
भर पिचकारी मार मारे हाँ भर पिचकारी मार मारे रंग डारो ना हम पर बार बार रंग डारो ना हम पर बार बार मोरी 조나를 기
yung gabi. Alam ko, dito na naman ang puso ko para sa'yo. Araw di na ipag-ibig ng aking sana naman ay pakinggan ang sabi ko. Aking nagmamahal sa'yo. Nag-iisa ang isang kagaya mo, nagmahal at nagdaga sa isang katulad ko. Ngunit bakit di ko man lang nabigyan ng halaga? Sisisi ngayong wala ka na. Kulang ako kung take me, say together naturally. So you think you should dance? Oh no, the golden rose in London, and I'm telling you, time to start believing. Oh yes, alam ko, believe in who you are. Your shining star. Naway pagpalain ka ng buong may kapal. Tangan mo na ang lahat ng katangian, talino't kagandahan at kabaitan. Kami bumabati bukal sa kalooban, ka malilimot magpakailan paman.
And I wonder what you do. Are you somewhere feeling lonely? Are you someone loving you? Tell me how to win your heart, for I have got a clue. But let me start by saying I love you.
I walked through rooms we once knew well. Instead, just fool me to the part of me that won't let go. Your name still lingers in the air, like perfume left behind somewhere. Do you miss me too? When the silence starts to burn, can you feel me near?
Patulang sa atin itong sandali. Alam ko
surprise through sleepy eyes, how happy I'll be. Manu June, Manoy, my baby again. Gonna be with some of my friends. Maybe I'll feel better again when they're by you. Saving nickels, saving. Seems nothing ever changes. We're about to be strangers, wondering if we understand or head on out the door. Just once, can you figure out what we did doing wrong? Why we never last so very long?
Wait. Wait. Think about the night is over, it's masquerading, getting older, like some low, the curtains down, there's no one here. Say your eyes, but do you feel it? Do you mean?
Softly Happy birthday, Monkey Ed! Stars are shining. What is that baby? Remembering love, is love is here. I wait for you, the day is for me. You far away, you won't feel free. No, this is not happiness. All the feelings I feel speak right through the quietness and care. Longing your life remains softly comforting.
Mr. Worm. LA Channel. Happy birthday to our host. This song is for you. The older I get, more I think. You only get a minute, better leave while you're in it, 'cause gone in a blink. The older I get, the truer it is. It's the people you love, not the money and stuff that makes you rich. And if they find
This is PH to KL TV. Thank you for watching. Be safe.